Alright, we're gonna do something completely crazy to this damn thing today. I got this thing running super sweet. We're going to run C85 in it, and we're gonna put that on there. And we're gonna see if we can even get it started, because that's gonna be a nightmare. I think once it gets running, this thing's gonna blaze at like 50 miles an hour easy. We're gonna take the on that 40 four tooth there, I can hit 32, so we're going down half. So it's gonna be twice as fast, maybe 60 miles an hour. I don't know. All right, let me get this on. We're gonna go and pray to God we don't die.